Hi everyone, welcome to the Lovely Ladies collaboration for March. Oh my gosh, happy March everyone. I forgot, this is the first collab of the month, and so every month we'll be welcoming you into the new month, and time sure is flying by, right? So anyway, this month what the object is to use any kind of lovely little, preferably lady stamp, and create some kind of card or tag or whatever, something using those. And we have a theme each month, and this month our theme is spring. And my daffodils are coming up. They're not blooming yet, but they're as soon as the snow started to melt 2 days ago I think, I have daffodils coming up. Anyway, you don't care about that. Let's see. So I made 2 cards with 2 different stamps. The first one is this one. I think I used this last year actually, but it's called Spring at Last. Sure feels like it's been a long time coming right now. And this one is actually called Free as a Bird. I don't know. I was thinking, I guess I was watching my bird feeder and the birds happily eating, and it made me think of spring also. Birds singing and chirping and stuff like that. So the first card with the Spring at Last, which I know I have a sticker on so you can't really even see it, but it's basically this image here is this one. Now this paper you can no longer get as of the end of day yesterday. It ended with Celebration by Stampin' Up. This is the large daisy just cut in half, and this is the retired Stampin' Up Starburst Punch. So I made it into sort of a sunshine. The smile comes from Daisy Lane right here, and I think that's the only thing I use that for. And then I have a Welcome Spring, and that is out of the Springtime Joy stamp set, that's the first thing I've used in it. Look at the cute little tulips and stuff. I didn't even notice them. Anyway, I'll be using this again pretty soon, but that's where that came from. And I put it on white cardstock with So Saffron. These are both out of, and I have it on a card base of Stampin' Up's Pool Party with some So Saffron on top, and she is colored in bronze, So Saffron, Magenta Madness, Granny Apple Green, and Petal Pink. Stampin' Blends by Stampin' Up, and I just thought it was cute. The blue, there's some blue in these daisies, even though I think they're probably balmy blue. I used Pool Party, light and dark, and I think it came out cute. And then inside, oh, I do have a little bit of washi down here on the oval, and that's this washi, which I think I had gotten at Joann's back when they had Ms. Sparkle and Company. I think these were in those bins. I'm not sure about this one. Might have been a Target one. I don't think I used this one on this card, but I did on the next one. The only thing that's bumped up on dimensionals is the Welcome Spring. And then inside I just stamped a daisy, medium daisy, and I put the green washi across the bottom, the grass washi. So I thought that was cute. So that's my first one. Then the second one, I used this Free as a Bird. I didn't realize at the time, but the little girl is not a full little girl. So I remembered I pulled out, Stampin' Up has 2 different bird sets, Birds and Branches, which has birds and branches and a nest, and Free as a Bird, because that was the name of the punch, or no, it was the name of this also, Free as a Bird. So I just pulled them out, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. But then when I realized she was not a full little girl, I made her so she's sitting in the nest. And this actually I already had done. It was in my stamp case, so perfect. This paper is not Stampin' Up. It is out of the Color Box Sun Showers, it's called. And I don't know if they even show it on the front here. Anyway, it's all over birdies. And then this is actually the other washi with the hearts and the clouds. So, and then I needed a sentiment, but I didn't want it to, like this one doesn't have any sentiments. And it wasn't really wanting any of these. So I thought, well, it's birds, right? So they're sending, you know, flying to you, sending you lots of, and that's out of Pretty Perennials. So I just put sending lots of happy. And out of the Pretty Perennials stamp set. Now, so I told you about that. The color I used here is Cinnamon Cider. This is on Cinnamon Cider, I think with either Soft Suede or Early Espresso stamped on it. Not sure. Her hair is done in Cinnamon Cider Light and Dark. Her dress is in So Saffron Dark with Magenta Madness. And actually for the little dots on there, I used the Stampin' Right dye-based marker because they're so small, along with that little stripe and her hairband up here. And Petal Pink for her skin again. And the bird is Balmy Blue Dark with a little bit of Calypso Coral and surrounded by light Pool Party. And this is also Pool Party ribbon, and that's out of the annual catalog sheer ribbon. I think that's part of the Whale of a Time bundle, but don't hold me to that. I do think I'm still going to add a couple little gems or something on each of these, but I have not done that yet. So those are my 2 cards for this month. Please go check out everyone else in the collaboration and see what they've come up with for spring. Anyway, check everyone else out. Have a wonderful day. Looking forward to spring and flowers blooming and birds chirping and whatnot. I hope you are too. Hugs, love, and peace.